Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man John back with another video, and this time we're tackling TSA like never before. Listen, I travel a ton, and I know firsthand how stressful navigating airport security can be, especially in 2025 they've upped their game with even stricter rules. But don't stress, because in this video I'm hooking you up with my ultimate packing hacks that are going to change the game. We're talking next level strategies to breeze through TSA, maximize your carry-on space, and arrive at your destination without a wrinkle. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, because things are about to get efficient. Alright, let's kick things off with the golden rule of TSA, liquids. Now you probably already know the 311 drill, 3.4 ounces per container, all fitting nicely into one quart-sized clear bag. But, and this is a big but, TSA's stepped up their game in 2025. This year, it's not just about the size, it's about the bag itself. Forget those flimsy Ziploc baggies that always seem to rip open at the worst possible moment. We're upgrading to TSA-approved silicone pouches. Trust me, this is a game changer. These silicone pouches are durable, reusable, and they're designed to keep your liquids contained no matter what. Plus, they just look way more organized and put together when you're digging through your bag at security. No more spills, no more stress. They'll last you for years, and they'll save you from those dreaded liquid overage fees. So, ditch the Ziplocs, upgrade to a TSA-approved silicone pouch, and thank me later. Listen up techies, this one's for you. We all know the drill with laptops and tablets. Gotta take them out, put them in the bin, no big deal. But hold on to your hats folks, because 2025 has brought some new players to the electronic screening game. That's right, your trusty smartwatches and those beefy power banks that keep you juiced up on the go, they're now getting special attention from TSA. Some airports are requiring them to be screened separately. That means taking them out of your bag, putting them in their own bin, the whole 9 yards. My advice? Pack your electronics strategically. Keep your laptop and tablet easily accessible, and consider using a small pouch or organizer for your smartwatch, power bank, and charging cables. That way, you can grab everything quickly and efficiently when it's time to go through security. Alright, powder lovers, listen up. We gotta talk about powders. I'm talking about your protein powder, your makeup, your spices, anything that comes in powdered form. Now, I'm not saying you can't bring your favorite protein shake on your trip, but TSA's got some new rules about powders in 2025, and you need to be in the know. Here's the deal. If you're carrying powders over 12 ounces, be prepared for some extra screening. My advice? Keep your powders in small containers. If you're traveling with protein powder, pre-portion it into individual servings. For makeup, stick to travel-size products or use those refillable compacts. By following these simple tips, you can avoid any unnecessary delays and breeze through security with your powders in tow. Alright, let's talk about smart luggage. You know, those high-tech suitcases with built-in chargers and GPS trackers. They seem like a traveler's dream, right? Well, not so fast. Turns out they've been giving TSA a bit of a headache lately. You see, some of these smart suitcases have batteries that can't be removed, and that, my friends, is a big no-no when it comes to air travel. Why? Because if your smart luggage has a non-removable battery and you need to check it at the gate, it's a safety hazard. So what's the solution? Simple. Make sure your smart luggage has a removable battery. Before you even think about packing that suitcase, check the manufacturer's website or look for a label on the bag itself. If it says removable battery, you're good to go. Listen, I know airport prices can be insane. $10 for a bottle of water, no thanks. But here's the thing, you can't exactly bring your own water bottle through security. Or can you? Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the foldable water bottle. This little beauty is a game changer. It's made from flexible, BPA-free silicone, so it's totally safe to drink from. And the best part, it collapses down to the size of a hockey puck. That's right, you can literally fit it in your pocket after you've gone through security. Once you're through security, find a water fountain. They're everywhere, you just have to look. And boom, free hydration for the win. Not only will this save you money, but it's also better for the environment. So ditch the overpriced airport drinks, grab yourself a foldable water bottle, and stay hydrated on the go. Okay, let's talk toiletries, because nobody wants to arrive at their destination with shampoo all over their clothes, right? But packing liquids can be a recipe for disaster. That's why I've switched to a solid TSA-friendly toiletry kit. First up, ditch the bulky shampoo bottles and embrace the shampoo bar. These little guys are super concentrated, last forever, and best of all, they're TSA-friendly. No more worrying about liquid limits or explosions mid-flight. And remember those silicone pouches we talked about earlier? They're not just for liquids. I use them to store my toothbrush, toothpaste, and other toiletries. They keep everything organized, separated, and leak-proof. Trust me, once you go solid, you'll never go back. Let's be real, packing can feel like a game of Tetris, especially if you're trying to cram everything into a carry-on. But I'm about to let you in on a little secret compression packing cubes. These bad boys are about to change your packing game forever. Compression packing cubes are like magic. They're made from lightweight, durable fabric, and they have these special zippers that allow you to compress your clothes down to a fraction of their original size. Simply fold your clothes as you normally would, place them inside the cube, and then zip it up. The compression system pushes out all the excess air, leaving you with a neatly packed cube that's half the size it was before. Trust me, once you try them, you'll never go back. Alright, let's talk tech, because who wants to lug around a separate charger for every device? Not me. That's why I only travel with one charger, a multi-port GaN charger. GaN, or gallium nitride, is a new type of semiconductor material that allows for much smaller and more efficient chargers. This means you can get the same amount of power from a charger that's half the size of a traditional charger. Most of them come with multiple USB-C ports and at least one USB-A port, so you can charge your phone, laptop, tablet, headphones, and other devices all at the same time from a single outlet. A multi-port GaN charger is a must-have for any tech-savvy traveler. Okay, let's talk shoes. Because who wants to wear uncomfortable shoes on a long flight? Not me. But at the same time, who wants to waste precious luggage space on bulky sneakers? Nobody. That's where foldable sneakers come in. These ingenious shoes are designed to provide both comfort and convenience. They have flexible soles that allow them to fold completely in half, and some even come with their own travel pouch. They're surprisingly comfortable for walking, and they pack down so small that you can easily fit them in your carry-on or even your personal item. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Alright, let's talk about everyone's least favorite airport experience. Getting hit with an overweight bag fee. Nobody wants to shell out extra cash at the check-in counter, especially when you're on a budget. But here's the thing, it's totally avoidable. All you need is a digital luggage scale. This handy little device is a lifesaver. Simply attach your bag to the scale, lift it up, and boom! You'll know exactly how much it weighs. No more guessing, no more surprises at the airport. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Let's be real, nobody wants to arrive at their destination looking like they slept in their clothes. But ironing on vacation? No thanks. That's why I'm about to introduce you to the bundle wrapping method, the secret to wrinkle-free packing. Instead of folding your clothes individually, you're going to lay them flat on top of each other, creating a bundle. Start with your bulkiest items like jackets or sweaters, and then layer your lighter items like shirts and pants on top. Once you have your bundle, wrap each item around a central core, creating a tightly packed cylinder. Your clothes will arrive wrinkle-free, and you'll have more space in your suitcase for souvenirs. Alright, let's talk socks. They're small, they're essential, and they always seem to get lost in the abyss of our luggage. But not anymore. I'm about to let you in on my secret weapon for packing socks, the sock stash. Instead of just tossing your socks into your suitcase, where they'll inevitably end up scattered and mismatched, we're going to get strategic. Pair up your socks, turn them inside out, and fold them in half. Now here's the key. Stuff each pair of socks into a shoe. No more lost socks, no more misshapen shoes. And there you have it, folks. My ultimate packing hacks for conquering TSA in 2025 and beyond. We've covered everything from the new liquids rule to the power of compression packing cubes. Remember, packing doesn't have to be stressful. With a little planning and these insider tips, you'll be breezing through airport security and arriving at your destination in style. I've created a downloadable packing checklist that you can print out or save to your phone. It's got all of the essential information from this video so you can pack with confidence every time. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and get ready to become a packing ninja. Safe travels, my friends.